Have you ever returned from a trip with hundreds of GoPro videos and GPS-enabled photos and wondered how to display them on a map without manually locating every file? With MAPOG, you can transform location-based media into an interactive visual journey. By using geotagged photos, GoPro footage, and annotation tools, you can automatically place media at the locations where it was captured and create an engaging map-based story. For this example, let's build a heritage trail showcasing famous forts. To begin, sign into story.mapog.com and access the Create and Publish Maps module. This workspace allows you to design, customize, and share interactive maps from a single interface. Next, create a new map and choose the option to start with a template. Then, select the blank template. After selecting the template, enter a suitable title. You may also add a brief description explaining the purpose of the map. Once completed, create the map and open the workspace. Additionally, you can personalize the project by updating the logo and cover image through the Map Settings panel. The next step involves marking the fort locations. Open the annotation tools and search for destinations such as Amber Fort, Jagar Fort. You can locate places using either place names or geographic coordinates. Afterward, add point markers for each destination and customize their appearance through the Properties panel. By assigning distinct labels and styles, viewers can quickly identify major attractions throughout the route. Once the locations have been added, connect them using the Route Line tool. Simply select the destinations in the order you want visitors to explore them. After completing the route, the platform generates the travel path automatically. You can then refine the route by adjusting line color, thickness, transparency, and route profile options. Consequently, the map becomes easier to understand and more visually appealing. Now comes the most exciting part, adding your GPS photos. Open the Geotagged media tool and upload your media files. Whether you have action camera videos recorded during a fort walk or photographs captured from scenic viewpoints, the system reads the embedded GPS coordinates and places each file directly on the map. As a result, there is no need to manually add pins or enter coordinates. Every photo and video automatically appears at the location where it was captured. This not only saves considerable time, but also improves the accuracy of your travel documentation. After uploading, review the media markers and click them to preview the associated photos or videos. To provide additional context, use the text tool to add labels, notes, or descriptions at specific locations. For example, you can include historical facts about Amber Fort, viewing tips for Nargar Fort, or visitor information for Jagar Fort. Furthermore, text formatting options allow you to customize fonts, sizes, colors, and styles, ensuring that important information stands out clearly on the map. Once your heritage trail is complete, open the Preview and Share section. Here, you can review the final map experience and decide how it will be shared. You may choose to keep it private by assigning user roles or make it publicly accessible through a shareable link or embedded web page. Access permissions can also be configured based on your audience requirements. If you need assistance with uploading data, creating maps, analyzing locations, or GIS consulting services, reach us at support@mapog.com.